Welcome to DodoDentist. DodoDentist empowers dental professionals to effortlessly manage their practice. Let's start by adding an appointment. Here is your dental practice dashboard. Click on Appointments in the navigations. Click here to create a new appointment. Enter the patient's name. Enter the patient's phone. Save the appointment. Click on Calendar in the navigation to see the new appointment. Click on Agenda in the navigation to see the new appointment. How to send reminders. DodoDentist automatically send reminders to patients about their appointments by WhatsApp, SMS, and email. To view and change when and how reminders are sent, follow these steps. Click on Reminders in the navigation. Click on a reminder to view its settings. Click the Test button to send a test reminder. Learn more at DodoDentist.com.